To start with, Nandini Reddy very easily said that I just put A to B to C. But I think about 39 years ago, if some guy hadn't put my mom and dad together, I wouldn't be here. So it's what Nandini Reddy did is a very important job of putting the right people together. And so thank you so much for that, for remembering me for the right project. And then there's, of course, Karthik, there's Ajit, and everybody else from AHA's team. There's Bharun, who are the few initial names that I interacted with. And I'm so happy that they brought the script to me because I'd let me have my entire team from Bangalore come and do it. For example, the DOP is Advaita, who shot Kannada U-Turn. Purna Chandra, the music, as he said, he's done it for Lucia, U-Turn Kannada, U-Turn Telugu, and everything that I've worked since 2012, he's been composing music. Editor Suresh, who was here till morning, and he just went back to Bangalore, he's fine. And he's been with me since 2008. And my direction team, there's Lakshmi, there's Dhanush, and also this new team that I found here, without whom this wouldn't have been possible. So we'll start with Shrikant, who's the co-director, and I would 30 minutes and sometimes a little more than 30 minutes. So it's 4+ hours content, and we shot it in 45 days. So that's been like a huge learning for us. As we were shooting, by the time I reached 35th day, I was like, are we really done? Because, you know, we are doing features which go on for 150 days, which are 2 hours long. So all these amazing teams that came together to make this happen. And of course, now the ones who are shining on the screen, Amla and Rahul and all the other actors. So when Nandini Garu suggested Amla's name, I thought, okay, can I deal with a star to do this show? And during our readings, which we did over Zoom, so I was in Bangalore, she was in Cochin, Rahul was in Hyderabad, and that's how we shot this during pandemic. So the first script reading happened on Zoom, and we were hooked on after that point. We just knew that we had cast the right people. Rahul was, I've been asking for his dates, will be motivated to do more content like this. And I think the invisible person in this list is Mr. Ram Vignesh, without whom this wouldn't have happened, who I don't know how wrote these amazing 8 episodes. And I have met him only for like 5 minutes, and it's been a great experience to take someone's material and then direct it. This is like my first time that I'm doing it. And so without Ram Vignesh, without AHA coming together, I think 1,000 people wouldn't have been employed during pandemic. I would look at it that way, that how a platform like this during this pandemic made this, and when you see the episodes, you will see the credits roll for 2.5 minutes. So I saw that during post-production, and I kept thinking every time I saw this 2.5 minutes roll that all these people were able to make a living during the last 9 months because of AHA doing this project. So it's an amazing thing. So thank you, Ajit, and everybody involved with AHA, Arvind Garu, and all the investors. And I really hope you will do more shows like this. Thank you. Thanks.